Hey guys, welcome back. Today I thought I'd give you an update on my YouTube channel. At the beginning of this year, I shared with you 3 goals that I had for my YouTube channel in 2019. And the first one being I wanted to at least have 3,000 views on one of my videos that I post. The next one, I wanted to have at least 1 upload per week. And then the last one, have at least 500 subscribers by the end of this year. So that first one have 3,000 views. To my surprise, I have exceeded that. One of my videos I posted, the firewood rack, has 3,900 views as of right now. The second place one has 2,000 views, and that's a firewood pit that I built out of brick. And then a couple below that have like 700, 800 views. So I want to keep uploading good quality videos that will be shared and viewed a lot more, like those 2 that are in the lead. But that's a huge goal that I reached, and I'm really happy with that. The next one is to upload at least a video per week, and I've been able to do that so far. I want to be consistent, so you guys know when to expect a video to come out. And I feel like I've done a decent job doing that. Each Saturday I've posted a video, and I've tried to get into a routine. So I want to keep doing that the rest of this year. Then the last one, have 500 subscribers by the end of this year. And we're already a third of the way through, and I only have 105 subscribers. That's a lot better than I had at the beginning of the year, but I would like to reach 500. I don't know if I will, but that's still my goal for the end of this year. So if you guys have been watching my videos and enjoy my content and want to keep watching more, think about hitting that subscribe button if you have not already, and that will remind you that I have an uploaded video each week. So help me out that way, and hopefully I'll be able to reach that goal by the end of this year. Other than that, I've had a lot of things going on in my shop and updates coming soon. I've got some paint that I'll be painting my shop. I've got a couple lights I need to install to brighten up the shop, and want to keep updating that as I go along. But also I have had a couple commissions that people want me to build a piece of furniture or refinish some furniture. So if you guys have any suggestions or even requests, you want to commission me to build a specific thing, let me know. I'm open to that and would love to help you out that way. But other than that, guys, I thank you for watching and helping my channel be successful, and subscribing, liking, commenting. I love all of that, to keep in touch with you guys, to know what you're looking for, any questions you have about projects, or what projects you want me to work on in the future. So thanks guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. I will also be uploading the video for this week tomorrow afternoon. I won't be skipping that, so be watching for that one to come out tomorrow afternoon. I'll see you guys in the next one.